person here is making thousands upon thousands of dollars on a monthly basis on YouTube. The question is, though, can you do the same? You actually can, and in this tutorial, I will show you how to do so, but without having to film anything and without having to talk on a microphone whatsoever. This is literally a copy and paste strategy for YouTube, but you want to stay tuned because I will show you a special trick through which you will be able to get monetized so you can make big money online on YouTube from the ad revenue too, despite not even recording your own videos. And I'll also show you a way you can make money online through another method so you can maximize your results. And with all of that said, guys, let's now get right into the video. As you have all heard, today I will show you how you can make money online through YouTube, but without filming a single thing. As you will all see, this is really simple stuff, and it's very easy to do. Just make sure you follow along with me so you know exactly what you have to do. Your very first step will be to come over to youtube.com. And now, what you will have to do first is think of some niche that you want to focus on. So whether you want a YouTube channel related to, say, entertainment, perhaps gaming, it doesn't make too much of a difference what you go for. The only important bit is that what you choose needs to be very popular. You don't want to upload videos in a niche that isn't popular on YouTube and won't get you many views, since after all, more views equals more money for you. A niche I'll be using as an example in this tutorial, and one that I would recommend many of you focus on, is the health and fitness niche. So videos that range from how to build muscle to ones that explain to you how you can lose weight. The health niche is all around huge, and you can see, just as an example, I typed in how to lose weight, and all of the videos I see have gotten hundreds of thousands and millions of views. That just goes to show you how many people are into health and fitness. When you guys search for a particular niche, what you now want to do is click on Filters here, and you then want to select Creative Commons. What this will do now is display videos that you are free to use and download with no copyright infringement. And this is very important because it means all of these videos you see on your screen right now, you can use free of charge, meaning that you will not have to film a single thing. But there's a catch. If you use any one of these as they are without changing anything, you will not be able to get monetized on YouTube, and so you will lose a pretty substantial profit source, which is why I will show you a trick you can use to get monetized even if the video you are using is not your own. Anyways, from here, guys, what you want to do is simply find a good video. Find one you feel like has the highest chance of getting the most views, and you want to copy its link. Either right-click on the video and click on Copy Link Address, or open up the video and copy the link that way. Either way, your next step from here would be to go over to Google and type in YouTube to MP4. You want to find some free site that will allow you to download the YouTube video whose link you copied a minute or so ago. I opened up this one here, for example. Do keep in mind that all of the websites you can use for downloading videos look a bit different. So what I'm about to do now, you perhaps won't have to do on some other platform. To download the video with this particular platform, all I have to do is paste the link in this box, select MP4 below, and then click on Convert. After a few seconds, the download button will be shown, and when I click on it, I will be able to download the video free of charge to my computer. It's as simple as that. And now, guys, you can actually upload this video on YouTube without it getting taken down for copyright. But I will now show you what you want to do so you can change the video a bit, increasing your chances of getting monetized. The first thing you want to do is find some free video editing software with Google. So type in free video editing software like I have, and you will be able to pick and choose one that you feel is the best. Keep in mind that you don't need anything professional. I'll literally show you just how simple and easy this is to do. Anyways, once you have downloaded a video editing software, you will now head over to the next website we will be using in this tutorial, one called Pexels.com. I've shown this site in my last video, but for those of you who have not heard about it, Pexels is basically a place where you can download photos and videos you can use free of charge and with no copyright infringement, making it the perfect site for us. On Pexels, you now need to find clips in your niche. Since I focused on the health niche, I just typed in exercise in the search bar here and selected videos in the upper left corner. And I now have all of these videos I can download and use. From here, just watch a couple of these, find the best ones, and download them to your computer, either by clicking on this arrow here or by opening the actual video and then clicking on Free Download right up here. Either way, your goal is to download at least 5 clips, and you then want to proceed to the video editing software of your own choosing. In my case, I'll be using Vegas to show you what you want to do next because Vegas is what I'm used to. Once again, though, do keep in mind that you do not need anything professional whatsoever for this to work. What you will basically do, guys, is this. You want to open up the video you downloaded from YouTube and all of the clips you downloaded over from Pexels, and you simply will mix them up in your video. This will make the video unique, and you'll actually be able to get monetized on YouTube. Meanwhile, if you use the video as it was before, you would not be able to. In Vegas, to mix the clips up with the original video, I just need to put them above the video like so, add a fade on both ends of the video so that it starts and ends with a fade and not abruptly, and if I were to play this, check this out. It does look quite decent actually, and it makes the actual video much more interesting than it originally was. You will want to repeat this process, guys, for as many clips from Pexels as you see fit. The goal here is to make the video unique and thus make it possible for you to get monetized so you can make money on YouTube. But keep in mind that you don't want to overdo this, so don't add too many clips as that won't benefit you at all. When you are done adding clips to your video and you feel like you've added enough, you will want to render the video and then upload it to YouTube. And just like that, with like 10 minutes worth of work, you have a video that you didn't record yourself, but that you can use free of charge to actually make money on YouTube. How crazy is that? Moving on, what you will need to do, guys, is essentially repeat this same process for all of your upcoming videos. Keep at it until you start getting some decent views. If the niche you picked is popular and big, chances are you'll eventually start growing on YouTube. With all of that said, though, I did mention another method to make money alongside from the ad revenue. So let me show you what that method is right now. It involves making money through affiliate marketing. Using my own example here, guys, what I can do is as follows. Find some weight loss product on Digistore24, for example, grab its link, leave it in the description of my video saying something like best way to lose weight or whatever, and then upload the video. So when someone who wants to lose weight watches your video and perhaps sees what you have in the description, there's a pretty good chance that they might check it out. And if they make a purchase, you would make money, as simple as that. By doing this, you'll be able to make money not only from the ad revenue, but also from affiliate marketing. And chances are you'll be able to make far more money in the process. The added benefit is that you would also be making money before you get monetized. So you won't be uploading videos for nothing, but you'll actually be making money off them right away.